Hello, with this short instruction I show you how we do the tapping, and as you will hear in my SoundCloud tapping meditations or tappings, uh, we talk about this, and we start always with the collarbone. So if you are overwhelmed by everything on the world, which is certainly the case on this moment, probably, um, then you say, I'm so overwhelmed, even though I'm so overwhelmed, but I still love and respect myself. And this we do 3 times. So we repeat this sentence 3 times or whatever you make of it, even though I am so stressed, I'm so overwhelmed, but I still love and accept myself. It's a kind of main frame. Before we start tapping, we uh, are reflecting on how strong is this overwhelm. Is it on a scale of 1 to 10? So I'm very much overwhelmed. I'm so stressed or anxious about the world. Or it's a 10. If you say, no, yeah, okay, uh, yeah, it's keeping me busy. It's an 8, or not that much. It might be a 6, because later after the tapping session, you will try to figure out how strong it still is, and maybe it's from 10 till 6, or from 7 till 4. And so we reduce the tension of the overwhelm, the stress, the whatever subject you take. So to start, we start with this collarbone, and we do the same sentence, or more or less the same sentence, 3 times. And then we start tapping, and the tapping points are here above the eyes. And if you listen to me in one of the voices in the SoundCloud or YouTube, then I always say where we are. But in principle, we start here. Then we tap here 5 or 7 times, you know, and you repeat what I say or what you read on the script. Then we tap over here. Then we tap under the nose. Then on the chin here. Then we tap here on the clavicle, the collarbones, so in this area. Then we tap, funny enough, under the arm, on the side of the bra. And then we tap on the top of our head. And then we have done one block of tapping. Most of the times 3 or 4 or 5 chapters, you may say, refrain, parts of the song. And at the end of the tapping, you try to think from, how do I feel now? Oh, it really is much better now. My stress is lowered. Yeah, maybe from 8 till 6. No, yeah, as I just said. And that's great, and then you can do the tapping the next day again. You can repeat it again after the whole session you've done. You can repeat it, or you can do it in a later moment of the day, whatever. You can do it as many times as you like, until the level is 3, 2, 1, and finally it's gone. So, but if you have to if you need a lot of tappings, then you do it over several days, and every day you make it a step lower. And after that, and in between, you take a deep breath after every chapter, after ending here on top of your head, to really sink it in, that you are aware of what you said. Your body will be aware, so it will get in anyway, if you believe it or not. It's it's working, and it's important to drink water afterwards. Yeah, that's water. Drinking water is so important. I love glass bottles. They are much better than the plastic, so I refill always bottles with water. That's the tapping in a short explanation. I wish you very good luck with the tappings which you can find here. Okay, bye bye.